Hi guys, look at this, it's done. Oh sorry, zoomed out. The book page, no, not the book page, the book cover is complete, as you saw in the last video anyway. But yes, with the little fiddles, I knew putting this on was going to be tricky. It was supposed to be even at both sides, but that didn't work out. But never mind, because we quick fixed it with some lace, which I think actually worked out better. But yes, as soon as I chose this specific cover to work with, not the embellishment, the white cover, and painted it, I knew straight away that this was the duct tape. I've used duct tape, or duct tape, but yeah, I've used duct tape, but I knew this was the one that I was going to use, because it just screamed, use me on it. But yeah, so I'm actually quite pleased with the way the lace turned out on the back, because we don't want to embellish the back too much, because you're never really going to see it. But yeah, and I went with the two signature TN style, so there we go. And I managed to do it again where I got the strings on the inside rather than the outside. Yay! So there we are guys, and these are going to be the front covers of the signatures, and like I say, they are elasticated and you just slide them under. Obviously the signatures aren't done yet, these are just the covers that I'm going to be using for the signatures. There is plenty of space between the two for poofiness, because this is going to end up being a fairly chunky monkey journal. They are not straight. Unfortunately, they are not straight. But, you know, the journal's going to be that fluffy and fussy, you're never going to notice that. So, there we go. And oh, I absolutely love how this turned out. I really, really do love how this turned out. Why are we dark? Because I'm relying on natural light here today at the moment in time, and it's not playing ball. But yeah, I love how this turned out. It turned out great. It is kind of puffing up at the sides. It won't glue flat there, but that doesn't matter. It's glued on. It's not going to come off. But there are little bits on the edges where it will not glue flat. So, you know, not fussed. Just adds to the aesthetics. But I love how that turned out. Simple but very effective as a journal cover. I love, you know, I'm really proud of that bow. It took me ages to get that bow perfect. I'm really proud of it. But yeah, I'm glad it glued as well. Actually, I meant to put a blob of glue on the actual knot there to stop it from coming undone. I shall do that off camera. But yes, so there we are with the cover and the beginnings of the insides. So now I've already over here started cutting out the embellishments, ephemera, not embellishments, but well, yeah, embellishments as well. Yep, I've already started cutting out some of them. Page tabs, not altogether sure whether I'm actually going to use them. But anything that I don't use will be included in like a little envelope, extra envelope, so that, Laurie, you can use them yourself in whichever way you choose. I'm unsure about that. I don't know whether to cut that in half and use it as 2 journaling cards or fold it in half. I may fold it in half. I may even fold it in half and just add a few more pieces of paper in there to make it like a mini journal. Not sure, but there are some tags, some envelopes, some tickets,